Hey guys, Tony Smith with Minted Yachts here checking out the NX370 Hardtop outboard. Now this boat is here at the SoFlo show. It is in stock. So definitely check it out. Let us know your thoughts and comments. We love NX because they bring these in stock. They're really high quality and they are great price point and great value for what's in the market. So check it out. Let us know your thoughts and comments. Okay, so looking at the exterior of the NX370 Hardtop, what you're going to see is some signature items on this boat. It does have this beautiful aft area here with the entertainment section, and it is all set up with a exterior grill. This one has the Mercury 400 Verados, which is a really excellent power package. And this is a hardtop, so it's a convertible hardtop, and you'll see you have a ton of volume in this boat. Now, why you get all this volume and space, you see it has the nice stepped hull, the beautiful chines here, but also a signature on the NX is they flare them out in the front. So they have really great hydrodynamic properties, as well as because they flare the boats out up front, you get a ton of interior volume, as well as you get a beautiful sun pad, room for that windlass, and you really get a ton of space in a 37-foot boat. Now again, these are in stock here, and what we love about NX is they're bringing these boats in stock constantly. So we're gonna hop on board and check it out. Let us know what you think. Okay, so we've got the team here at NX getting ready for the show. They've already sold 2 of these, and this is a great opportunity to get some boats that are in stock. Now again, this is the Hardtop 370. So we're gonna step on board and we're gonna show you the large aft platform, which again is signature for NX, as well as this back area here. So you've got a little summer kitchen. You can set that up with a barbecue, electric, or gas, however you want it. Also notice you have this beautiful woodwork here. You have the sink that folds down, and then look at this. Walking inside, check this out. They have this huge convertible hardtop, and the amount of space that you have here is really incredible. You have opposing seating on the port side and on the starboard. So we're gonna pan across here and we're gonna show you. This is your beautiful helm. You've got a bolstered seat, diamond stitch. You have the multi-function displays there. So this one has the Mercury, and then it's got room for a traditional chart plotter. What's really great is they can install exactly the electronics that you want when the vessel gets here to the US. Now we're gonna look at this beautiful woodwork, and note this is hinged so you can fold it up, and it does have a grab bar on the other side. And then also another feature here is you'll notice we've got speakers all over this boat. Now these are entertainers boats, and you can see here, based on all the stemware, nice lovely NX stemware, you could have a really good time on this boat. And this boat is designed so you can transit. Again, remember that big aft area with the platform. We can transit all the way through and then easily walk. So you can easily have 10 to 12 friends on board here, maybe even more than that. So coming down, they've got this one currently configured where you've got the table set up, and that does drop down to have cushions there if you wanted that as a berth. So on the port side, you're gonna notice you've got this lovely cold storage, as well as a cooktop installed and a microwave. Down below here, you're gonna see there's the cushions, so you can make the forward part into a berth, and then you have this aft berth here. As well as notice you've got this really nice head here, and you'll see it does have an enclosed shower section and electric toilet. They've got these LED lights, and so you can actually have this dim. So if it's nighttime and you want to have it dimmed down like this, you can definitely do that. And you have complete control on this boat, however you want to accommodate the lighting. We're gonna go up and check out the bow next. Stepping through, this has this nice area here, and you see we've got this beautiful diamond stitch area. Now, just incredible to have the diamond stitch like this, and then also notice the beautiful stainless steel that they have on this boat. So you've got the fender keepers integrated in, and then you've got the speakers here. You're easily able to transit the entire boat. And again, thinking about the flare that we saw at the front of the boat, that all gives you plenty of room here for your dedicated windlass with the anchor, and then this beautiful seating area. So a really great boat, and you'll see it does have that one piece for the windscreen, and then it's got this other section that will close here. So you got great visibility from the inside. I love the stainless steel. I love the cup holders. I love the upholstery. You get a lot of value with this NX. So we're going to show you some of this hardware here. Again, this is a fully convertible boat. So if you're down in Florida and you happen to get some rain, you can easily close the boat up, or it does have great ventilation. Again, look at these LED lights that you get on this. Okay, so we're going to take another look back here. Again, a lot of boats with outboards, they lose the swim platform, but that's not the case with NX. With NX, even with the outboard package, you have this nice area here. So it's really the greatest combination. You can have an inboard version of this, or you can do the outboards such as this. I like the outboard version, especially for Florida waters. And the other thing you gain with the outboard is you have that extra storage area down below. So if you want water toys or anything like that, you can easily accommodate that with this boat. On behalf of myself, Tony, and the rest of the team at Minted, thanks for checking out the NX370 Hardtop with outboards. If you're in the market for a boat like this, please feel free to reach out at the info below. Let us know your thoughts and comments, and we would love to hear what you think about NX. We think it's changing the market and the way people are going to buy boats in the future. So let us know your thoughts and comments, and definitely be on the lookout for the next tour of NX. For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.